Hello everyone. Good morning all. So let's have a continuation of our case study challenge 1, and here we have reached the sixth query. So what are the details of cars sold in the year 2021 by salesperson Emily Wong? So here they have given us the three different tables. Let me just connect 1 minute. So here they have given us the three different tables: cars table, salesperson table, and sales table. So what we need to identify: total cars sold in the year 2021 by salesperson Emily Wong. So here we need to join three different tables. Let me write the solution. Select star from cars C, inner join sales S on C dot car ID equal to S dot car ID, inner join sales persons P on P dot salesperson ID equal to S dot sales main ID. Now what we want? We want cars sold in the year 2021. So for that we need to write one filter. Here we have the column name purchase date, and over that we need to write the function year of purchase date equal to 2021. And what we require the name of the person, right? So which is available in salesperson table. So let me write that p dot sales name equal to, now what is the name they've given us as a Emily Wong, right? Now I just need to select the column names: c dot car id, c dot make, c dot type, c dot style, c dot cost, and then p dot name, right? So and also we can write this one as well to verify that whether our data is retrieving for 2021 only, right? So let me now execute the solution query. So these are the two distinct cars which has been sold by the Emily Wong in the year 2021. Right. So let's move to the next query. What is the total revenue generated by the sales of hatchback cars? So hatchback is a style of the cars, right? If you see over here in the table, so over here it is given as the style as hatchback. So what we need to do now? We need to join car table with the sales table. So let me write the solution. Car C inner join sales S on C dot car ID equal to S dot car ID. Now what is the style of the car? C dot style equal to, we want to select hatchback, right? So hatchback cars we want. Now we require the total revenue generated by sales of hatchback cars. So over here we need to write the style and then sum of cost as total revenue, right? So let me execute the query. And as we have used the sum function over here, so we need to use the group by close as well, right? So this will be giving us hatchback style has total revenue of 1 lakh rupees. So this is the solution of our seventh query. Now let me move to the eighth query over here. So what is the total revenue generated by sales of SUV cars in the year 2022? So over here what we need to do? So over here we can copy the above query for the solution, and then in the style column we can change style to hatchback to SUV, and then now we want one more filter over here, which is purchase date, which is present in the sales table. So year of purchase date should be 2022, right? So now these two column in the select clause will remain the same. So now let me execute the query. So SUV has total revenue of 1,50,000 in the year 2022. Now let me move to the ninth query. So over here they have given us what is the name and city of the salesman or salesperson who sold the most number of cars in the year 2023. So here we need to join all the three tables, right? So let me start writing the solution. Select star from car C, inner join sales S on C dot car ID equal to S dot car ID, inner join sales persons P on P dot salesman ID equal to S dot salesman ID. Now what we require? We require name and city of the salesperson, right? So who sold the most number of cars in the year 2023? So here we need to add one filter. So we have only one date column over here. So we need to write year function, year of purchase date equal to 2023. Now what are the columns we require? We require P dot name, comma P dot city, and then count of S dot car ID as number of cars sold, right? So now let me try to execute. As we have used the count function, we need to use the group by clause as well. So let me write these two columns into the group by clause. Now let me execute the query. So now what they have told us. Now they have told us what is the name and the city of the person. So here we have name is there, city is there, but we want who sold the most number of cars. So most number of cars has been sold by Tom Lee and in the city column. So here we need to do one order by number of cars sold, and then we need to do descending, right? So now number of cars sold 2 will come first. Now what we want only one first row only, right? So for that purpose we need to do top one over here, and then let me execute the query. So Tom Lee and Sittle has sold the most number of cars, that is two cars in the year 2023. Now let me move to the final query over here. So what is the final query? What is the name and age of the salesperson who generated the highest revenue in the year 2022? So here also we need to join all the three tables. So let me just copy from the above one. Now we need to add one filter condition, right? So where just a minute here, just now we need to write the filter condition over here. Purchase date, year of purchase date equal to 2022. Now what we require? We require name and age, right? So let me p dot name, then p dot age. Then what we require? We require who generated the highest revenue in the year 2022. So let me do the sum of this cost. Now let me do the group by over here. Group by name and age, and then let me write this one as well in the above select statement, and then give this one as some alias total revenue. Then we can need to give order by total revenue. Now let me execute this query. So it has given some error. Purchase date is invalid in the select statement. Okay, we need to mention this one in the group by as well, right? Because we are not performing any aggregate over here, so we need to perform this column into the group by as well. So now let me order this all this value in descending order. So it will come the Imli Wong as the number one person, and now we want only top one from this, right? So and let me give some alias to this column here. So now let me execute this one. So Emily Young has the highest revenue, which is 1,16,000 in the year 2022, and for Emily Young age is 35. So this is the solution of our query. So here we have used the different aggregation functions as well as year function, as well as we have used the group by and order by in our entire case studies. So this is the end of our case study challenge 1. We will come up again with the another case study, and you can say the challenge 2 as soon as possible. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you.